Stop. Fuck it. Do you want to play a game?
What game do you want to play? I was looking right at him. Where the fuck did he go?
I want to have an airsoft war with you.
You gotta cut that shit out.
Cut what shit out?
Stop!
Stop what?
I swear to... Alright. Fine, we'll have the damn airsoft war.
Yay! What? Shit, I'm losing. Time to show off my new invention.
Dude, you missed.
No, I didn't!
Where am I? What?
Oh, this is a really crappy movie.
Dude, you haven't even started it yet.
Oh.
Guys.
Good morning.
Who are you? Who are you?
Oh, this is Bono.
Where did he come from?
My rifle.
What? I can barely see right now.
I'll explain things in a minute.
But first, eat a gummy bear.
What?
Oh, God.
Watch out, it's tough.
It's like a fucking brick. What is this?
It's a gummy bear.
Harry, bro!
And where?
Sour gold
Whose house
bears.
is this?
Mine.
I bought it for him like 3 days ago.
What? How long have I been out?
5 days.
Oh my god.
I'm an orphan.
Who knocked
Not
me?
anymore,
Who knocked
son.
me out? Who knocked me out? And you shot him out of that gun.
Yep.
Where's the clip at?
Sorry. Okay. So the clip, is gone after 1 use.
Then why is he still here? Can't you get rid of him?
Okay, no, you see, once you spawn a Bono, you can't get rid of a Bono. Bonos are forever and always. And why would I want to get rid of him? He's my best friend. That's him right there. My best friend.
Dude, I thought I was your best friend. Your only friend, to be honest. He's getting really annoying.
Me.
You're not my best friend. Because, well, I can narrow it down. Trash talk everything I do. You hate my existence. You dread me being around. You just completely have no faith in any of my inventions or creations or anything.
And 5, you're kinda a penis.
You're a penis.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, baby.
Best friend or not, you're in the crew now.
Mom.
What group?
Yeah, the group consists of you, I, Bono, and the clone.
Dude, he can't even speak English. How could he be in a group?
I mean, I already have him reading some of the finest literature in the world, you know.
O deadly sin, O rude unthankfulness, thy fault our law calls death, but the kind prince, taking thy part, hath rushed aside the law, and turned that black word death to banishment. This is dear mercy, and thou seest not.
Did you say the clone? I thought you killed him.
Whop! That's boring.
Yeah, he's not a clone, he's a hobo, but I brought him back to life, so technically he's a zombie. And his name is Toby, so call him Toby,
Wayne.
not the clone.
What? How did you... Whatever. What is the name of this group?
Well, my friend, this group's name is the Sandwich Buddies.
Oh my god, ma'am, I am so sorry. Bono, get off of her.
But they're lactating.
Stop it. That is disgusting. Oh my.
But they're so
ma'am, that's not
tasty.
disgusting. I understand you were pregnant. Oh, you weren't pregnant. Okay, you can't just go around grabbing people's tits like that, Bono.
You did it to Hunter.
I am the hope. I am the night. I am Jesus.